Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Mix with Lucy. I'm glad you can join me. Today I'm gonna make Ghanaian meat pie. We'll need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 sticks of margarine, we're using Land O'Lakes. We're gonna need a half teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, and then we're going to need 3/4 cups of chilled water. Water has to be chilled. We're going to mix margarine with the flour. If this is it's called a dough blender. This is really good to mix your, especially if you're making pie crusts. So we're going to be making our pie crust. I'm going to add the salt and then the margarine, and I'll mix it together. So this is a half teaspoon of salt. I'm going to put it in. So mix it up. A little bit of water, not a lot. Pie crust don't need a lot of water. So do not add too much water to it. And so that's it. I'm gonna make it into a ball. We are done with our crust. I'm gonna put it in the fridge for 30 minutes and then we'll come and roll it out and build our pie. So these are the ingredients for your filling that will go into your meat pie. You need beef. I always like to add sausage to my beef. I'm gonna need onion, garlic, ginger, pepper, Old Bay seasoning, and salt. You're also going to need a tablespoon of flour so that your meat can stick together, so that when you're eating it's not falling. Also, you can use whatever meat you want, or you could use fish to make fish pie. And so we're gonna make meat pie today. I'm putting my beef in. Then I'm gonna put my pork in. I'm gonna cook these together, and I'll put my seasoning in after it cooks. Now meat is cooking beautifully. I'm going to add my onions. So my seasoning is going in. This is about a half teaspoon of pepper. Add some ginger to it. About a half a teaspoon. And then about a half a teaspoon of garlic. We're gonna need a little bit of Old Bay, about a half teaspoon. And now we're gonna add a little bit of salt, not too much. Gonna mix it together. And then after you mix it, taste it to see if the salt is good. If it's not good, add a little bit more. If it is good, then you leave it as is. So our meat has cooked down. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of flour to it. It helps your meat stick together. So it's not grainy. So now it's cooked. I'm gonna turn the heat off. I'm gonna let it cool down. And then we shall be back to make our meat pie. Build it together and put it in the oven. Okay, we're gonna use water to seal it. Use water to go around it so we can seal it, and then just close it out. And you can use a fork. There's another way you can close it out, and then you put 3 holes in it so that the steam comes out. So our first batch is ready to go in the oven. We're gonna need 1 egg. Beat it up, and you're gonna wash it on your egg. This helps you, you know, when your pie is ready. See that that's gonna turn brown, so you know it's a little help to determine when your pie is ready. So pie is ready to go into the oven. We're gonna bake it at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. So our meat pie came out looking beautiful. I hope you try it. And thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. God bless you until we meet again. So there it is. You can enjoy it with your favorite beverage. I hope you try it. God bless you. Stay safe until we meet again next time. Thanks for watching.